Greetings. My name is Josef Priglinger. I am the owner of the BioHort company from Upper Austria. And today, I am presenting our Neo garden shed to you. The Neo is the result of 25 years of construction experience and has been redesigned from the ground up. The Neo combines the advantages of our previous garden sheds, such as durability, freedom from maintenance, 20-year guarantee, stormproofness, and design. We produce exclusively in Austria, with high-quality materials from Austria and Germany. This is the standard version. Here, you can see the bins of the sidewall panels on the inside with the slots for hanging shelves. The Neo shed can also be insulated. This means that we can install styroboard behind these interior wall panels. You will see a 3-layer wooden panel on the ceiling. This very stable panel withstands the pressure, but also has the property of stabilizing the temperature in the garden shed. There are always 2 rainwater downpipes integrated as standard. The surface outside is smooth, and it is a construction that meets the requirements of modern architecture. Here, you can also see an installed glass panel. You can also install several glass panels on the sidewalls, as desired. You can also position the Neo and our other garden sheds on uneven ground and slopes, so that they are stormproof. Here, you can see the solid galvanized ground screws with the threaded rod for height compensation. This mounting plate can be used to correct slight inaccuracies in the ground screw foundation placement. I hope I have been able to convince you of the many advantages of the Neo, and would be very pleased if you were to join the many satisfied BioHort customers.